In this video, I want to show you how to download apps and how to delete them on your Sony Google TV. So let's get started. So first of all, let's start on the home menu. So I'll press the home button over here. And every time you want to check your apps, to launch one in particular, where there's two different methods. So first method is to press the down arrow over here, and you'll have access to them. By pressing the right arrow, you'll shuffle through all of them. You also have a special apps button on your Sony remote control located right over here. If you tap that button, you'll see the same thing, all your apps, but displayed in a different way that I think it's more usable. It's easy to see them all at once. Now, every time you want to download an app, I'll press the home button to start there. All right, what you have to do is to go over here where you see apps on the top menu, then go down with the down arrow until you get to the search for apps and games bar. You can go ahead, click enter, and you'll be able to type the specific app you want to search. You can also use the voice button, the mic over here, if you prefer to say it verbally. If you want to say it with your voice. So let's say I'm looking for, I don't know, streaming app. Well,
results for streaming app.
It will search streaming apps, yeah, it will show you all of them. Now, if I go back, this is a way to search for the apps, but if you simply want to browse to see what's available to you, you have, well, go down, you have all these categories over here. So entertainment, music, I mean, you can go through all of them, select one, and it will show you which apps are available for each categories. So this is a way to browse for them. Every time you want to download an app, let's say I want this one. It's pretty random, but I want to download this. I'll select it, press enter, wait a few seconds, and then you'll have the install button. Select install. Obviously, your TV needs to be connected to your Google account to be able to download anything. If you're not connecting, it will ask you to connect. In my case, I was already paired with my Google account. So now wait a bit, you see installing. And you're not obligated to stay on this installing screen. If you want, you could have simply pressed the home button and do something else at the same time. It will install it in the background. But since we're filming this video, I'll simply wait a few more seconds. So it's completely installed. And at the end, you're going to get this open button. Now, if you were not on this screen, let's say I'm on the home screen, the app got installed and you want to know where it went. Well, it went at the end with all the other apps. So the same way I showed you how to get to your apps, go down through that list where it says your apps and go to the end. It will be right over there. Or let me just press apps button on the remote control. And if we take a look, it's at the end. Now, if you want to bring your newly downloaded app on the top, so it's one of the first because you're going to use it often, you're going to highlight it the way it is right now. You see it's pulsating in white. It means that it's highlighted. And now take your remote control, keep press the middle button. Okay, don't give a simple tap, it will open the app. Simply keep press and then select move, the first option. And now you'll be able to move it all the way to the top, maybe even to put it on the first position. Once you're done, it says over here, press back to finish. So I'll press the back button to exit this menu. And now to launch any apps, well, simply click on it. If you want to delete, okay, let me just launch it. Let's say you open it, you don't like what you see and you want to delete it. Well, go back. Yes. Keep press the enter button the same way we did previously. Once the app you want to delete is highlighted. And then go down, select view details, press enter. And now you can select uninstall, press enter, okay, wait a few seconds, and the app will be deleted from your Sony TV. So this is it. If you found my video helpful, please take a moment, write a comment down below. If you didn't like it at all, I want to know. So write a comment too. I'll try to reply to it as well. like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.